Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to email the Spotify team. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Once you do this, tap on the search box and then search for Spotify. Once you find the application, you can simply tap on it, and then when you scroll down, you will find the app support feature. Just tap on the drop-down menu and you will find the email address for Spotify support. Just tap on the email address and then select your email application. And then you will directly be taken into the Write a New Email screen. You can simply type in your subject at the subject box and then type in your concern in the main body section. Once you type in your message, you can simply tap on the send button to send your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send an email to the Spotify team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.